If you're planning a Boracay trip and want to see the actual beachfront hotels, come walk with me and let's explore Station 3 together.
Kung napanood nyo yung first part, dun tayo nagtapos sa Golden Phoenix Hotel. And ngayon, tuloy-tuloy na ulit ang lakad natin. Right beside Golden Phoenix, we have the sands. Sunod naman ang La Isla Bonita, then Crown Regency, and here we are, Mandarin White Sand Hotel. Quick info lang, in front of Mandarin White Sand, ito ang meeting place for water activities, kaya expect this area to be quite busy, especially in the morning. Island hopping, parasailing, and other tours start here. Pero good news, konting lakad lang palayo, you'll already feel the laid-back and chill vibe ng Station 3. So habang naglalakad tayo, take note kung alin dito ang swak sa budget, vibe, at travel style nyo. If this walk helped you, like this video, subscribe to Bunny Notes, and save this for your future Boracay trip. See you on the next walk for the other parts of Station 3. Bunny Notes, taking notes one travel spot at a time.